Welcome everyone. Good morning and huge applause from the crowd. Applause goes to Joey. Somehow he was able to text in the chat. Welcome. How you guys doing? All right, let me update the charts. My God, what a morning. All right, let me put the lines in place. Lionheart, good morning, King. Well, you're the king. You're the king. You're the Lion King, you know. That was a cheesy joke, right? But still, you're the king. How is everybody doing? Joel, oh my God. Guys, extra applause for you guys for hopping in. The kill zone just started. Man, it's been good. That's awesome, man. Good to hear, Joel. Joel? Yeah. That's good to hear. It's a beautiful morning, guys. Or beautiful night, evening, wherever you are. It's just awesome. Everything is good. Everything is great. You know, positive energy all around. Asia low swept. Oh, yeah. I saw that. Look at all these crazy things that happened after the close. Wow, look at that. Crazy dump. There you go. Yeah. I'm in on long currently after displacement. Yeah, I saw something happening. Yeah, there was a slight displacement here. Fair value gap. So I think you're long from somewhere here. That's a good position. Nice one. 176 ticks already. Dude. That is awesome. Look at that. It's breaking those highs. Man, I have to update the charts. I see an order block down there. But let me put this away. Previous day low has been swept. Which was in Asia. Okay. Okay, we're pretty much fine. Everything is in place. What's happening on the 1 hour? Not much. We have a 4 hour bullish order block down there at the 140s. For now, it's not that important. We are inside of a 15-minute fair value gap here. So I'm just gonna mark this fair value gap just for future reference, you know, whoever knows what it wants to do. And let me put this like this. Okay, it's closing. It might be, what's the distance here? 85 down to 70. That's not a big fair value gap on the 15-minute, so not a huge deal. If it's closing above this fair value gap in 10 minutes, then we might have a chance that this one is shooting higher. Quite interesting though. Okay, what else do we have? We have a bearish order block right now on the 5-minute. Not the perfect one, but this here is a bearish order block, technically speaking, right now. Bearish order block. Right. Order block, bearish 5-minute. Okay, are we going to have a reaction? I don't know. For now, it seems like we're having a reaction from this. Come on. There you go. So the order block is here. This area. Pushing it down for now. But we'll see if it's going to hold or not. Made the structure shift here. It was pushing it higher, then shifting down again. Should be a bearish order block. If someone wants to take this, you can target the 4 hour bullish order block if you want to short. But be careful. Let's see what you guys are up to. Short since 220. Dude, that is really something. You're out. Okay. 120. That's a very nice profit there. Joel, you guys are rocking it. I think you should take the day off, you know, with a profit like that. I mean, I don't know what contract size you were going. Today I will have to end the stream after the silver bullet hour, which should be after 3 a.m. So, no, actually not. After 4 a.m. Sorry, then I can stay. Now it's 2 a.m. It's 8. 2 a.m. 8. Okay, I have 2 more hours here. So in 2 hours, I have to end it. Looking for an entry. Oh, I forgot to start off the things. Look at that. Now it's going a little bit short here. 80, 88. It had kind of a 3-pin formation up here. First you said it's long on 15 minutes. Now it's short on 5 minutes. I mean, I didn't say it's long. I was just saying that if it's if it would be closing above here, then we would have a chance to go higher, but it didn't close. I said we have to wait for 10 minutes. Now it's 7 minutes. So we had a long entry here, which I didn't take in this area. That was a potential long entry. So I didn't call out any trade. I'm just saying, I'm just tape reading. That's all I do right now. I'm just tape reading this. So possible long entry here. Tape reading. But if I go to the 5 minute, we have a bearish order block, which is a little bit contradicting. And then I said you have a 15-minute bearish, 15-minute fair value gap. And if we would close above this fair value gap, that would indicate more bullish movement. But for now, we're not closing there. So I'm definitely not calling trades out right now. I'm just trying to tape read what's happening. I'm just trying to tape read this somehow. I don't see my entry model at this moment. So I'm just waiting. Not much to do. And also if this one would break this structure here at 180, then that would be a good indication to go short. It all depends what's your entry model. What's your entry model? What are you looking for? You know. What's up? What's up, Hello Teacher FX? Staying off the charts tonight. Took a heavy loss on personal account. Oh. Heavy loss on personal account. That's not too good. Hey Zoltan, jó reggelt. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning everyone. Welcome. By the way, I'm just saying the Apex sale is gone from yesterday, but there is still an 83% sale on BULENOX. So, and it's going to end today. So choppy, yeah, I think it could be a choppy session again, because the move already happened. So I'm a little bit concerned about what's about to happen. I'm a little bit concerned about what's going to happen here. I feel like we can see more downtrend breaking this structure. So you can target, I mean, if you want to take an entry on this structure shift aligning with the 5-minute bearish order block, you can target the 4-hour bullish order block if it wants to go down, you know. Just saying. That's a possibility. Hard to tell though. Was floating over 1 hour and I did take partials. Just stood there. Price came down and took me out. Hey, hello teacher FX, that happens to every one of us. Everyone. I'm not in the trade, by the way. I'm just looking for this kind of move. I'm not in the trade. This is something I'm looking for right now. Do we have any news? No major news in the London session. Okay. Chinese news were happening. So we have no major news. I can definitely see this dropping further down, but uh, 197.25. Let me check it. Maybe. Maybe. So this is a possible entry I might looking to take at the start of the kill zone if the move continues downwards. I have a pending entry at 179.50. Small position. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna delete that. This is something I'm looking for. Looking for a continuation to go down. I might get triggered here, but it's something I'm looking for. I got filled with micros, but now it's immediately going up there. If it takes me out, it takes me out. But okay, so I'm in the trade now. Very tiny position. Yesterday, 100-point dump before the close. Yeah, it was interesting. It was very interesting. I was watching it. Good morning, Greg. Short at 180. Yeah, I'm short too, but only a small position, and I'm curious what it wants to do. I'm targeting the 4-hour bullish order block down there. That's my target. And my stop is up there. If it wants to go back, then I'm just gonna let it go back. So we'll see. The 4-hour bullish order block is down here at the opening of this candle. I always look for the bodies, and the open is 29.50. The open is 29.50. So no. Something I'm watching something else. I don't know what I'm watching. The open of this candle is 140.50. Sorry, 140.50. That's the open of the candle, 140.50. My TP is 142.75. 142.75 is my take profit. 142.75. Hold on. 142.75. 42.75. Yeah. That would be my TP. Let's see what it does. So I'm looking for that 4-hour order block to be tapped. I mean, looking to take profit before that level. 172.50. Low-hanging fruit. Actually, you're right. 72. There you go. 72.50. Oh, 67.50. All right. 67. Yeah, that's a low-hanging fruit there. So you have the option. If you target this, you may put it to break even and let it ride if it wants to go. Equal lows 69. I'm targeting the 4-hour bullish order block down there. That's what I'm looking for. If it wants to go, that's what I'm targeting. I don't know. Looks interesting though. We can see a reversal. The thing is that we are in a discount array, but still, if I go to the 4-hour, I do love this area down there. Love to see this order block being mitigated, as they say it. Actually, the 100 level is down there below that. If I go to the 1-hour chart, we also have some fair value gaps below inside the order block. Good swing low. But, you know, as you can see, the other side's pretty much oversold. We can see some retracement, especially on the 15-minute after this huge drop. But, you know, you never know. Never know. If it takes me out, it takes me out. At least we tried. Let me check. Actually, I also have the same entry with the indicators on this fair value gap here, because we had the market structure shift. So this is actually a good entry on my end. You don't have to take it, of course, because there's no financial advice here. But this right there is a potential entry based on my entry model as well. So, you know, we don't know what's going to happen here. One thing I might do, but it's actually, I don't know. It's not something I used to do, is to move the stop a little bit, but I really don't want to touch anything here because that's not my thing. Look at that, took out the low. Now comes the moment of truth. Is it going to retrace back up there or not? Target hit. Nice, 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 nice. Congratulations, applause to Joel. Joel, I'm gonna sit in this one for a while, I think. So I'm just gonna sit this one. Trying to look for that 4-hour order block if I can. Let me up. Come on. There. It's better the way like this. Okay. So, guys, there's still a sale going on with BULENOX. I was surprised too. Try the codes and use the registration link. It's down there in the description somewhere. 83%, but with intraday trailing, the option 1 accounts only. The option 2 end of day trailing accounts have 50-something% discount. They're changing every day at BULENOX. Everything is changing every day almost. Well, at least every 2 or 3 days. But the 83% sale before the stream started, I checked it. I think it was working at BULENOX. So that's the cheapest as of right now at this moment. But Apex still has the 71% sale and with the 3-day pass, which is also a good deal. And if you're a brand new customer with TOPSTEP, just register through the link and you're going to get a 20% discount, which is very good for 150K. account. So that was a commercial. Okay. So I had some confluation with the 5-minute order block, the 1-minute entry model, the fair value gap, the 4-hour bullish order block seemed to be a good target. I would say it's possibly high probability, but of course, you know, you just cannot know what's gonna happen. Risk reward is still okay. I'm willing to hold this. I'm willing to sit in this one. If it retraces back up there, it's fine. Actually, it would only need to drop like 20 points, and it can do it. It can actually do it if it wants to. If it really wants to, it can do it. By the way, I turned off the music completely, so you guys won't hear any more background music, because I just keep getting all these emails from YouTube that, you know, despite the fact that I'm using copyright-free background music, I'm still getting emails that it's licensed. So I said, okay, F it, I'm not gonna use background music anymore. But I'm listening to some real cool music. At least I can listen to whatever I want right now. I just turned off the desktop sounds. Okay, so that's the only thing I'm sitting in right now, waiting for it to play out. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think. How long have you been trading, and how long of it profitable? I'm trading actively. Because there was a time period when I wasn't active. I was just trading as a hobby, so I didn't really care that much about the end result. But since I'm actively trading, and since I'm taking it seriously, it's since 2021, the early 2021, somewhere in the pandemic. But I started in 2017 again after many years, but I wasn't serious about it. So since I'm taking it super seriously, it's 2021. And since I'm pulling out money from prop firms, it's last year 2023 summer when I got payout from FTMO. I got payout from FTMO, and then I went to futures with TOPSTEP, and I spent quite a bit of money on combine accounts. And I have a video, if you check it back in my main video playlist, about my results from last year with TOPSTEP. And I made about $4,300. So that's not much, $4,200 with TOPSTEP. But last year with TOPSTEP, I think it was around break even. So I spent around that much amount of money on combine accounts and activation fees, maybe a little bit more. So I spent nearly $5,000 with combine accounts and activation fees. I blown funded accounts. So last year was the break even. I wouldn't say profitable. I wouldn't say profitable. Last year, by the end of the year, I got to be around break even. In January, I couldn't take payout from TOPSTEP. February, I took a few $100s from TOPSTEP, and I decided to stay with futures prop firms. So my goal, and that's what the video series is partially about, that building up more evaluation accounts. My favorite prop firms are Apex, BULENOX, my funded futures. I love TOPSTEP. I still have my funded account with TOPSTEP. I just want to build multiple funded accounts with multiple prop firms, and that's it basically. So I'm doing the YouTube to help me out pay the bills, and that's how I'm full-time here, guys. I dedicated myself full 100% here. I show up every day, I trade every day, I share my results every day, the losses, the wins, the struggles, the winners, everything. So technically, partially the reason for the YouTube here is to journal my journey. I'm journaling my journey, and while that, I can make a lot of experience, a good community, and a few dollars as well. A lot of dollars, a few dollars. I just got monetized with YouTube, and if I get a $50 or $100 from YouTube to pay my power bills, that's cool. And if you guys are generous to take my affiliation links and buy accounts with any of these prop firms, that's also a few dollars into the tip jar. And that's it. That's the short story. I'm not in the FVG. I was entering Joel on the break of this structure here, but there was no retracement on that fair value gap. I'm targeting the 4-hour bullish order block. So if any one of you guys haven't been here before, just please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. That's really supporting me, and that's it. Oh, thank you, Jonas, thank you. So I'm not a Lambo trader, I'm not a Lambo guru, but I do it for the business. So me being here on YouTube is business, guys. This is definitely a business for me. It's not just entertainment, but I do want to share everything I can in terms of how do I enter a position, how much I take out, how do I handle things. But being here on YouTube for me is very, very serious business, guys. Kitso, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you. And by the way, applause for a new subscriber. If you subscribed and you haven't heard the bell, that's because your YouTube might be on private settings, and Streamlabs is not able to put out the subscription bell. But thank you so much for the sub. If anyone who's subscribed want to get a shout out, just feel free to text. I like 122 on an hourly previous target. Hello, Test. What do you think of gold? Well, I'm not trading gold, but I can look quickly on gold. Last year I traded gold a little bit, but honestly I don't. Oh my god, I think gold is gonna take out. There's an all-time high somewhere here. Yeah, 2,146. So I would stay bullish. I think it's gonna go for all-time high. I would be careful with the shorts. Yeah, so I would be looking, if I look at the 5-minute gold, I would be looking for some long positions, but honestly, so we have fair value gaps here. If you want to enter, for example, now to take a long position with the wider stop, you can do so, because I think during the day it can still continue higher. We have a displacement here. Looks good for long, but you know, I don't trade gold, but I'm bullish. I know a guy here in my country. He works in the banking industry, and he's actually trading. I mean, they are trading with hedge funds and everything. And he said that their bank is definitely bullish on gold for the next upcoming weeks and months. So they are very, very, very bullish on gold. They say that it's definitely going to make new historical highs. So good morning, Serdar. Good morning. I started early because I received quite a few messages and comments that I should start earlier the London session because the London kill zone starts at 2 a.m. So I'm here. I'm here. I try to be here, maybe not every day, but try to be here from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is, for me, it's okay. So I'm here. You gave me 100 likes. Nice. nice. I'm from Middle Europe, Hungary, Budapest. The capital is Budapest. I don't live in Budapest, but Hungary. And I'm not going into politics. Please don't hate the Hungarians. Our politicians are crooks, but the Hungarian people are awesome people. Love this country. It's a great place. So it's a great place. So yeah, here in the center of Europe, basically. That's where I am. That's where I am. Okay. So my target, if anyone is just jumping in, is to reach that 4-hour bullish order block. So if I go out to the 4-hour, I can show it to you. We have a bullish order block here. This is a typical formation. I do love these formations. These are so good for targets. And I always look at the opening of the candle. I'm not looking for the wick of the candle. I look at the body of the candle, which is, the open is at 140.50. So I'm taking profit before that, and I like this level so far. So, you know, who knows? I'm not saying it cannot retrace and go back against me, but I always like order blocks, especially in higher time frames, as targets. So that's what I'm looking to take profit at. We had some nice drop. Hopefully it will continue. We have marked the open in 26 minutes. So let's see. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be here for a little bit more. I'm gonna be here for about 90 more minutes, 90 minutes, but then I have an appointment. So yesterday I was staying until 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now I have to leave after 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's about another 90 minutes maximum for the stream. So if you like TOPSTEP, I mean, I like TOPSTEP. By the way, I forgot to say I like TOPSTEP, for example. I made some payouts with them. And if you want to grab your discount, if you're a brand new customer, just register through my link and you're going to get a 20% discount. As of today, at this very moment, I think BULENOX has the best sale up front. 83% down, but only from the intraday trailing accounts. So don't forget, BULENOX also has intraday trailing, just as Apex. But I have no issue. By the way, I'm going to do a video about that because there's no issue, no problem. For me, I have no problem with intraday trailing. Why? Because I trade small size. That's it. So if you trade small size and if you're not going all in and not looking for home runs, then you should be absolutely fine. You should be absolutely fine. Go small. And there's no problem with intraday trading, I'm telling you. You should be having no issues with that. By the way, I wanted to ask some of you guys, especially the ones who are watching the stream a little bit longer. Are you guys interested to, I mean, do you guys would be interested for me to put on some IRL vlog videos, how my days are going on, what do I do when I finish streaming, how do I handle trades, and daily stuff during trading? Is that something that could be interesting? Because I was thinking that maybe I will put on a separate playlist, so it's going to be a completely different playlist, and it's going to be like a little bit of a vlog, like not a daily vlog, but maybe a little bit like a weekly vlog or something like that. I don't know, but it's going to be trading related, but not here at the computer, but most likely with my cell phone. If I see something, if I do something, something interesting trading related, maybe with real life stuff, I don't know, then maybe I'm gonna do it as a vlog. I don't know. If anyone is interested in that, let me know. I'm thinking to do that. I don't know. Good morning, Trader G. Apex moved from 1 day past. Yes, they did that. So the 1 day pass ended yesterday. So now it's 3 day pass at Apex. So yeah. How much money do you put on a trade? Well, for example, on a 50K evaluation account, on a trade, I never risk more than $100 money-wise. So I can tell you percentage-wise, well, 0.5% would be $250 on a 50K account, but I usually don't put more than $100, maybe 110, 120, but that's the all maximum on one single trade. So usually maximum 100. Yesterday, for example, I took a lot of trades. I was doing $60, $70 per trade because I was doing many trades. I didn't really want to do that, but I was downsizing during the day. And so usually maximum $100. That's the max. But I go down many times to $70, $60. Depends, I also have to calculate with commissions and fees. It adds up, guys. If you don't calculate commissions and fees, if you're absolutely not covering it, those are adding up. Those things are really, really, really adding up together. So you definitely have to take care about that. Do you think this will not go up anymore? Bernard, I think it can go up any single second, to be honest, because we're approaching the 4-hour bullish order block. So that's my target, actually. So what I want is a reaction from this bullish order block on the 4-hour, which is right here. This is a 4-hour bullish order block. So I say it can definitely shoot up to the moon. I just want to see it approaching the order block as it should, and the way that it should is it should go into the bodies of the candles. We are now approaching the wick of the 4-hour bullish order block, so we could be having a reaction, a steep reaction. So I wouldn't be surprised if this one sharply goes up, but overall I would like to see the body of the 4-hour bullish order block to be touched, at least to be tapped at least once. So I knew that I'm gonna be sitting in this trade for a little bit. So yeah, it is what it is. So hard to tell. Hard to tell because it can shoot up any single moment. You know, we can have a displacement any moment, and it can just go up like crazy. It's in the cards any moment, guys. Right now, actually, it's doing market structure shift, just saying, to the upside. If we zoom it out, I knew I'm gonna do it in the wrong way. I just can't. Of course I can't, because I'm moving the whole thing. But we have a market structure shift, just saying. This is shifting. We have a tiny fair value gap as well, so this one can go up here. So if you guys are favoring the longs, you know, well, maybe not now, but it was looking good for a long position. So yeah, definitely make videos of you withdrawing. Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, I want to do that, Jonas. I want to do that, and partially this daily recap series, which I'm doing, is gonna be about that too. When I'm doing the withdrawals, I'm definitely going to put them on, just as well if I get funded on any of these accounts. I'm copy trading right now. I'm copy trading between multiple. I mean, I have multiple groups. I have one group that I'm showing you guys. One is, this is a BULENOX account, which is nearly $52,000. I have a My Funded Futures account, which I'm copy trading. It's nearly at $51,000, but I'm trading micros. So there is an Apex account, which is a little bit around 51,000. So, and I have a secondary Apex account, which is also, I just started this recently, so that's a fresh one. And so I'm copy trading these accounts, and you know, this is what I'm letting you guys know how I'm doing on the streams. I have more accounts that I don't really want to share because I'm trading a little bit differently. I'm doing some scalps here and there. I'm not always doing the same risk management on those accounts. So these accounts are definitely for the YouTube. And yeah, because whatever you guys think, trading on YouTube is extra pressure. That's it. I feel that. I feel that trading on YouTube is definitely extra pressure. So yeah. Maybe scarf for long then short after. No, I'm not doing that because that would require a different trading style. And I don't want to mix them up. Maybe on a different account I would do that. But not at this moment. So that would be a different strategy, a different risk management style, and I don't want to mix them together. On these accounts here on YouTube, I'm trading very small size, but it makes the transition easier. You know, when you get funded with micros, and when you get the funded account, you basically, without any sweat, you can just continue what you did before, because you will know that you're trading small. It is highly unlikely that you're going to lose your account in a day or two. So that's what I'm trying to prove here as well. FX Entropy, hey there, welcome. So I was expecting a steeper retracement. No problem with that on my end. I can even expect this one to go all the way up there. I just really want this swing up there to be intact, because I want to see this drop down to the 4-hour order block. So it can take a while. Maybe it can take the whole London session to drop down. I don't know. I don't know. But let's look at ES until we're waiting. I forgot to update my charts on ES anyway. Starship Enterprise is up there. Let me delete that. Okay. Just look at ES. What is happening? It's also going down a bit. Previous day low already swept. So for example, I like that we're having let me delete this crap. I like that we are having a fair value gap here on ES. This is kind of a, come on, let me, what is all this? Okay, so this sell side liquidity down there helps NQ to drop a little bit more. Also, if I look at the 4 hour, we also have a beautiful, beautiful 4 hour bullish order block on ES. So I like this formation. If ES goes down, it should be pulling NQ with it. So that's it. That's it. Of course, there's no guarantees. We all know that. There's nothing. Where market is going to open in less than 13 minutes. So, you know, London opens up, it can just shoot to the moon, like super fast. Like, we couldn't, I mean, it's definitely in the cards. How old were you when you started this? Oh, man. I know I look like a teenager, but I started, the first time I looked into trading, it was in 2007. So not 17, 2007. 2007. And I was trading, I thought that I can be a millionaire by purchasing Expert Advisor for MetaTrader. Oh yeah, 2007, I started trading a little bit. Of course, I lost. There was no prop firms back then. Hey, good morning, DXWell. No problem. No problem there. We're just, you know, passing time. So there were no prop firms. Of course, I lost. So in 2009 and 10, I thought, okay, I'm just gonna leave that. So I wasn't really taking that seriously in 2007 to 2008-9. I was just treating it as a hobby. So I left trading. I was working for an insurance company for a couple of years, and in 2017 I got crazy and got back to trading again. I invested into crypto as well, lost a bunch of money as well. So from 2017 to 2021, I basically lost all my savings and everything due to trading, investing to crypto and stuff like that. So yeah, but I always liked this market. I always liked all these things. So how old was I? Dude, I'm going to be 40 years old this year in 2 months. In 2 months, I'm going to be 40 years old. So in 2007, I was like, how? I was like 20 something years old. I was 24 years old, 23 in 2007. I don't even know. Something like that. So, yeah. And I know I look like Tom Cruise, but I'm going to be turning 40 years, guys. And I wish I would know all this information at least 10 years ago. I wish. I wish. I wish I could just go back in with a time machine and slap myself in the face and kick myself hard and shout to myself. Thank you, Bernard. It's only because I have a 720 camera, not a 1080. Yeah. So I wish I can go back and kick myself in the ass and slap myself in the face that you idiot moron. That's what I would tell myself if I could travel back. You idiot moron. Yeah, Tom Cruise. I look like Tom Cruise. Everybody says that. Yeah. No, I'm just joking. Of course I'm joking. But yeah. So I was doing crazy things when I was... Anyway, in 2017, technically, there was a prop firm which still exists, Audacity Capital, or how you say Audacity Capital. That's an English prop firm. They back in the days they were only letting you to trade with $10K or $15,000, and there was no... The structure was different. You had to pay a monthly £200 to keep the account, so there was a monthly fee. And you could only trade with Forex, nothing else. No, not gold, no indices, nothing. Just Forex. And that was in 2017-ish. So I tried that, but then I realized now... And they were only giving you 1 to 5 leverage. So again, 1 to 5 leverage. Hungarian cruise, yeah. So that was a prop firm. Not 500 leverage, not 100 leverage, 1 to 5. So best case scenario, I could open, which was not a problem, not a big deal. I could open like 0.5 lots across all the Forex pairs. So you can imagine that you could really take slowly on that prop firm, and you had to pay £200 monthly fee. So that's where I started. But then I left prop firms because I said it's too slow, and I was thinking that I'm so smart that I put my own money into a Forex account and I blew it all. Not in one day, but in a couple of weeks and months, I blew all my savings on Forex. So, trust me, I know how it feels when it hurts, especially on personal account. Looks like this trade is giving me no headache, but a little bit extra time to sit on my hand. Oh man. As I said, I was expecting retracement, but I'm still hoping that the overall target is going to be the same for the 4-hour bullish order block. What do you think about the new coins in crypto? The new coins, I don't know. Since I lost a ton of money, for me, tens of thousands of dollars I lost in crypto. I'm not investing to crypto, so I don't really know. Damn, seeing other influencer, I thought I was late to the game. I'm now feel relief knowing your story, as I'm still under 24 age. Oh, markets will be nowhere. Will go nowhere. So yeah, absolutely. The EX Wealth. I'm happy that you could take something away from my story. I'm really happy. If anyone can take some experience away from this, that's why I'm sharing it to you. So drop a like and subscribe, all right? And use my codes. I really need some affiliate money because I had only a few hundred payout. 666 gold. I'm not trading gold, but you know what? Since we're waiting, I'm gonna check it out. But oh yeah, I was saying that it looks bullish. The big picture looks bullish to me. The midnight range is just below, so now it looks bearish. But if I look gold, everybody wants to trade gold. I know you guys like gold, but I think gold is super heavily manipulated by politics, every kind of... So it's heavily manipulated. I like gold. I mean, I don't hate gold, but seems like it wants to take out the 14.08 level. If I go to the 1 hour, it repriced this fair value gap, I would stay bullish on gold. I would be looking for long signals anyway. So I would be looking for a market structure shift to the upside and go higher, because we're gonna take out the 2,145 something. But gold is so heavily manipulated by politics, economics, everything. I mean, economics, of course, but hedge funds, politicians, everything, they are manipulating gold like crazy. I subscribed you since you had oh, nice, DX12. Thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I didn't really think that I would be able to reach 1K so soon. Methodical Man helped me. He's also streaming. I don't know if he's streaming today. I haven't checked, but he helped me a lot. He sent quite a few guys. You guys, many of you are from his stream, and I'm very grateful for his help, because without him, I think I would be still down somewhere at the 600s or 700s. So he really helped me a lot. So guys, one key takeaway for you is, you know, how should I put this? If you're starting out with prop firms, don't rush it. Take it slowly. That's what I'm trying to prove here. I might going to have not just red days, but red weeks. Who knows? I'm just trying to prove that don't rush it. Because even if you're YOLOing and you put everything in one basket on one trade, and I mean, it's not worth it, guys. Because if you get funded, well, what's gonna happen, you know, after that? You're passing. I know we all have these promotions like pass in 1 day and stuff like that, but honestly, if you don't have a track record, at least 6 month consistency, what are you going to do when you pass to a funded account? Chances are 90% that you're going to blow the account. That's it. So you have a 90% chance that you're going to blow the funded account anyways. So why not build up a track record for yourself for at least the bare minimum for 3 to 6 months if you trade every day, and you don't even have to make profits. If you can just keep the account for 3 to 6 months, that's awesome, dude. If you can just keep the account for 3 to 6 months, that shows extremely high discipline compared to other traders, quote unquote traders, in the prop firm industry. So I know there are traders out there who are gaming the system, and that I made a video about that, and that's a good, I know that's also making money, because we're all here to make money. But what if prop firms are going to vanish, guys? Did you ever thought about that? Do you think that prop firms are always going to stay here? You know, because I'm not so sure about that. I disagree, Tom here. You are on time here on props. You need to rush it. Yeah, kinda. You pay for the accounts and you pay for the reset. Yeah, that's true. A small amount of money. You need to get fast to the. That's partially true. So yeah, I have to FX and Trophy. I have to agree with you for a certain point there, because you want to be funded. That's true, you know, but yeah, then you can slow down. Yeah, FX Entropy has a good point there. Actually, he has a good point. You have to. Oh, market open, by the way. London just opened, so hope it. That's going. It can take me out, but he has a point. So, but for example, if you get a cheap account, upfront cost, which you can handle, you know, $20 or $30 monthly fee, you know, you can make it. Oh, damn it. I'm going to get stopped out here. What a shame. Then, you know, I'm just saying that you don't have to pass it in 1 day or a few days. You can do it in 2 months or 3 months. You pay like 2 months fee, or I don't know, you pay like $60, $70 in 2 months for a futures prop firm. Why not, right? Oh man, oh man. I'm not looking to go long here. So I'm just gonna wait this. I think it has a high chance for taking me out here. The market open really kicked up hard. So I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. It unfortunately it made a structure shift, and this candle is going to close here. Yeah, it closed higher. So guys, this trade is really, the chances for this trade to go lower just declined very, very much. We're going to have a fair value gap here, and I think it has a high chance, a high probability to take out my stop. It can go back to the 200s real easy. So there you go. I would actually wanted to see this go down to reprice below, if it wants to go higher, to reprice below 183, which is doing it right now. So be careful. If you're short with me, if I were you, I would consider to close it. I'm just gonna sit this one out. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm gonna be looking for another entry later. So there you go. It tapped into the fair value gap here. Let me show you. Tapped into this fair value gap here. And now it has the ability to shoot all the way up there, at least back to the midnight range. Technically, we didn't even went over the midnight opening range here. So it's not looking good for me right now. Yeah. Morning. Good. Hey there. Hey, it's no problem, Saeed. It's no problem. No problem there, Saeed. Odain, hey there. I was just down minus 400. Now I'm up plus 100 with that open spike up. Nice. So the market open is shifting structure, I think. Yeah, I'm short. Yes, I'm short. It was looking good for a while. I was targeting the 4-hour bullish order block down there. I had a little bit of confluence with the 5-minute bearish order block. But it seems like the market open just willing to kick me out from stop loss. Doesn't really look good. We have every chance to go over to the midnight level, which is 209.25. So doesn't really look good, guys. It's just a shakeout of, yeah, it will continue down until New York open, probably. Well, I don't know, man. It doesn't look promising to me right now. It's done going down. Yeah, Joel. I don't know. At this point, I am definitely, I mean, I have no idea what's it want to do. I have my stop loss in order. If it takes me out, it takes me out. So that's it. I was really hoping that we can drop to the order block on the 4-hour. The market open really tricked me. I was expecting a retracement because we were definitely oversold on the higher time frames. But you know, I thought that we were gonna have a retracement somewhere here around the 170s and then continue lower, but I didn't expect this spike up there at the open. But it is what it is. Short 117, 147. 50. Remember last night when I told you go short? Yes, I remember. I remember. Yes, I know. I should have done that. You know, full mini contracts. Should have just sat back, relax, drink a palinka, and enjoy the rest of the evening. That's what I should have done, man. That's what I should have done. Yep, remember bong rip, yeah. Yeah. So that was quite interesting yesterday. I felt a little bit of FOMO, but hey, what can I do? What can I do? Actually, let me check my charts here. Do I have any possible entries? Not really, right? The only thing I would be considering, but I don't want to mess up my thought process here, is if it would go back to the green, I mean short area right here, I'm considering to close down the trade with break even because I just don't like these moves. But on the higher time frames, I still feel like the 4-hour order block, you know, has that area that it should be touched during the day. You know, I'd like to see it go down and, you know, smash this and then go up during the New York. That's what I wanted to see. Yeah, yeah, it is definitely something good. So, so I don't know, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Should I close it at break even? And I'm just curious about your thoughts. Should I exit with break even and wait for another entry? Let me look at the 5-minute. Actually, it doesn't look that bad on the 5-minute for now at this moment. At this particular moment, it doesn't look all that bad on the 5-minute. Not even on the 15-minute. It's not that super bad. Actually, it looks quite interesting. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Still feels a little bit bearish, but shooter on 15. Possible shooter on 15. What is the shooter? What is the shooter on the 15? I don't know what is that, but I hope it's good for me. All right. By the way, I'm always preaching like go small and blah blah blah, but you know, I'm also making mistakes, and it can happen any day that I lose my mind and I go in with higher stakes. I don't want to, but you know, I'm working on it. But if I go in with minis and try to scalp and it goes against me completely, that's something I have to work on. I know other traders on YouTube had the same issues sometimes. So far, I survived the past couple of weeks, but sometimes I feel the urge to scalp with a high position size, and it's really gives me an emotional crackdown. I don't know. Mean, hey there. Gold. I can check gold, but I already checked it. But yeah, fiber. Okay, so not maybe. Okay, so gold. I was talking about gold, but there you go, gold. So I told you guys to be bullish today. Market opened up. If this candle closes right here, I would be looking for retracement inside this 5-minute fair value gap, and I would target the all-time high, which is up here at 2,145. So I'm definitely bullish on gold. But if you're jumping into a buy because I said I'm bullish, obviously you're not doing something right. I would wait for retracement or pullback back into this area here. And if you have an entry model, which I don't know what kind of entry model you have, then maybe I would enter into a long, maybe. For now, it looks okay. We're going from displacement, from discount into premium, but I would wait for a pullback on gold. That's what I think. That's what I think on gold. And by the way, I was thinking to maybe go with a little bit higher trade size, position size on these evaluation accounts, because if I always use $50 or $60, it's gonna take at least one more month. So I don't know what is happening. Look at that, it's just going up again. What can I do here? I could close this actually. I feel like it wants to go for the 200, which is not good for me. Considering to close the position manually, which is against my rules, but no. I'm still waiting. Would be nice to see the structure break to the downside again. But the way right now I see it is just like NQ wants to make a turn higher. Unfortunate. I was really looking for that 4-hour level to be tapped. That 4-hour bullish order block was looking so great, and as you guys can see, we were on the way there. But yeah, what can I do? What can I do? One more chance at 182 in 3 minutes, maybe. Also, if this structure would be breaking the swing low, that would be a good indication that it still wants that 4-hour order block. Don't know. Don't know, guys. Don't know. Yesterday we had a win in the London session. Now it seems like the opposite. Seems like quite the opposite happening right now. Trader G, do you not see this as a backtest of the breakout area? You can see it in many ways, I guess. Breakout area. If you mean this as a breakout, it could be, depending on how we see it, but I don't really. So if this is just sweeping liquidity, that's what I'm hoping for, and then continuing downwards. Flip the coin, yeah. One more chance, yeah. Nice play at 81.75 in 1 minute, yeah. Interesting how the candles are working out in this area at this moment. $180.75, yeah. So I really have no idea how is this gonna play out. Are we going to shift again to the downside? I don't know. Let me check my indicators here. Almost shifting. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah. Well, I'm fine, you know. If I hit the stop loss, I hit the stop loss. What else can I do? Yesterday it happened like 3 times in a row. And yeah. You know, guys. $175. Well, so 178. Yeah. It could be a great shift if it would take out the swing low. That would be really awesome. But now it has this engulfing candle, bullish. Well, it's not engulfing, sorry. I thought that it is, but still, I don't like how it closed. So let's wait and see. So grab your discounts, guys. And let me check this real quick. If you want to consider TOPSTEP, if you use my link, you can get a 20% discount, but you have to register. So check out TOPSTEP. Also, Apex has a 3-day pass with 71% upfront discount. And the biggest discount right now is at BULENOX. Still, you have to use the link and the code TOMSABLE1 or 2. You can check it out. Coupons are still active. Let me check it again. Yeah, the coupons are still active. 83% for option 1 account is still active. It seems like it. Apex is still working out good. So yeah. And now it's going back up again. What is happening? I don't know. Acting a little weird here. Still not breaking this low here. And I just don't like what I see. We are below the previous day low, which is, well, not really acting as resistance, but I was really hoping for this 4-hour order block to be tagged. Maybe later during the day. You know, maybe first it wants to take out some highs. I don't know. I just have to wait. I just have to wait. Nothing changed. Yeah, I'm definitely holding on, so nothing is changed on my end. My analysis is still the same. I was expecting retracement, so it's fine. I was just really not expecting this steep spike up there, but you know, main question is this: is our friend Methodical here buying this market? I think he's fading me, so I think he's buying. So I think he's buying. Oh man, guys, anyone can be on a losing streak. It seems like since last Thursday I'm not really feeling it, so I dig myself into a deeper hole all the time. It doesn't change my long-term perspective, but it's crazy. Look at this. We narrowed down into this area. We're consolidating. Do we have any news? Not really, right? Did we have any news release? Spanish. Do we have a nothing? Nothing special for now. Yeah, I'm short. I'm short, but for now it's consolidating, and I wanted to see this go much sooner down to the 4-hour bullish order block. So at this point, I don't really like this trade that much. My analysis is still the same. I wanted to see the order block being tagged, but Now I'm a little confused about the outcome. That's it. That's it. Don't worry, Tom. Markets are slow now. You made 33. That's money, you know. Chop chop, yeah. That's why I'm just holding this. I'm just holding out to this. Definitely looks interesting. Wonder if we see the move at 4 a.m. like yesterday. Well, I don't know. I don't know. If I go to the higher time frame, I'm gonna look at the micro Nasdaq chart because it's. Let me close this. And so here's the 4-hour again. I love this area. I want to see. I know we went down a lot, but look at this. I mean, I definitely love this 140.50 area to be tagged. I was really hoping for a drop down further into that place. I mean, even if I look at the 1-hour chart, I love that we are having a fair value gap below 120. I mean 120, 122. So I really do like that. We have some nice targets down, and to finish the move, to finish the drop. So yeah, I was hoping that we see something. Here we go. I hope you're right. I hope you're right. Usually London is, yeah. This is quite crappy. Yeah, it's definitely crappy. It's not clean. I don't like how it moves. Definitely not my cup of tea. But maybe it will go down. Maybe. Let's hope for the best. If this is going to consolidate here, because I have to leave you guys in about 40-45 minutes, I might consider to close it down. I don't want to leave it, or maybe I'm going to follow it through my cell phone. I'm not sure, but I might have to. What's the latest time? So about 4:07, 4:08 Eastern Standard Time. I have to leave because I have an appointment. But I'll see what's going on with this until that time. If it starts to drop, I might leave it. If it's just going to consolidate until that time, I might consider to close it with a small loss or with break even. But if it starts to drop, I'm going to leave it and I'm going to manage it from my phone. Let's hope it will go down. Looks good, to be honest. Looks good. Sellers are showing. Yeah. Yes, I will be back. I will be back, Sahid. I will be back for New York. And trying to start earlier. Casey, hey there, just came in. Thank you. First glance from that time frame looks either coming down to possible from right shoulder of inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, could be there, Casey. By the way, Casey, thank you so much for being here. And Huge applause for everyone, guys. I see we're hovering around more than 40 viewers for a while, and thank you so much for supporting the stream. It's so great. Thank you so much. Push the like button, subscribe, and guys, hey, if you could support the stream, but use my codes and the activation links. I mean, if you are interested in trading with prop firms, there are some good discounts going on with Apex. Very good upfront cost, and BULENOX also has a good sale, and my funded futures also. Or if you like TOPSTEP, there's a 20% discount if you register through my link. Thank you, guys. Few dollars here and there to the tip jar helps me to keep in motion here on the stream. Every day I show up, guys, and it really helps out. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Deej. We reached over 1K, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I'm really happy that we achieved this together. But most likely I can thank this to Methodical Man, because many of you guys came from his channel, and he was very generous and kind, and he was sending you guys many times from the stream to subscribe. So thank you again to Methodical Man. I hope he's not fading me right now. Start believing, Tom. Get a grip. It will work. I'm short now. What do you think? I think my analysis is still the same. Targeting the 4-hour bullish order block. Are we going to get there in an hour? I don't know. So it can do like two scenarios. It can hover around like this, take out the highs, and then go down to the order block. Oh, sorry. Just a quick phone call. Sorry. All right. So the other scenario is that we can just consolidate, and this is what's gonna happen, and it can take all the way up until the New York session. I don't know. Told you, 150. There you go. It's gonna happen. We need to have some sort of, yeah, we're definitely going to have a celebration for the 1K. So I was suggesting that maybe I'm gonna drink a beer or something during the New York session or London session. I don't know. I don't want to get drunk in the morning, and maybe we're gonna waste one evaluation account. No, I'm gonna do mostly because I promised it like too many times already. I should do giveaway at least one evaluation account. I'm not doing that good, but maybe I'll do a giveaway, memberships and evaluation accounts. I just have to, sort it out how to do it. So again, if we're just going to consolidate like this, then, I might consider to close it, because if by the end of the kill zone it's going to consolidate, I know it can go down after that too, but I'm not sure I want to hold on to it until the New York session starts. We want to see you drink a palinka. I can drink a palinka on stream, but maybe YouTube is going to flag me for being drunk on live stream. I don't know what. Is there something in their policies on YouTube? If I get drunk, they're gonna flag me. I don't know, but I think I can do a palinka. I think I can do that. So, unfortunately now, it seems like that, you know, we're having that issue that we can consolidate in this price action all morning. Sometimes it's really frustrating. There's a fair value gap, by the way. Let me show it to you guys. A nice shift in the structure here. I know you guys saw it already, but there's a nice fair value gap here. Here and here. And price didn't really went back up there. But it's a good thing that it's there because it supports the short idea. The short idea is what I meant. So, you know, anything can happen. But I do like what I see. Hold on. Joe and Elon smoked weed. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. They smoked weed on live stream. But did they do it on YouTube or on X? I don't know. London session was amazing last week. Yeah, London was really good last week. I mean, I had some losses in London, but it was really good price action. So yeah. So I'm gonna be coming back, by the way, in New York stream. I'll try to start a little bit earlier, not at the market open, but maybe sometime at the start of the kill zone, which should be around 7 or 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys are interested, we can call out some entries on Nasdaq. We can analyze the market. You guys are welcome to join. Please subscribe. And so I can do that actually. Now look at that. We are in hourly bullish fair value gap and bearish 15-minute fair value gap. No real clear bias for me. Yeah, so it always depends what is your bias. What are you looking for? And now I'm still sticking with my analysis, and that's like something I would tell you, that stick to your analysis. My analysis is that I want to see the 4-hour order block to be visited down there. That's what I want to see before it shoots up again. And I'm seizing every opportunity. Well, I had one opportunity, structure break here, to go down there. So final target for me would be, oops, come on, would be down there. But again, this doesn't mean, because look at that. Look at the midnight open. Eastern Standard Time, midnight New York time. Price opened up and immediately started to go down. So if you look at the daily candle, my God, the daily candle, what the hell? Sorry guys. What is this? It didn't even go there. 51.50. It didn't go up there. Something crazy happening here. But anyway, my point is that immediately started to go down. No movement in the daily premium area. So if this is a manipulation phase, you know, we can shoot up any given moment. Joel is out for now. Trade good, good. Joel made some profits. Trading always keeps my heartbeat fast. Sometimes I feel the same, but that's something I want to, you know, that is something I'm want to eliminate completely. And one of the best ways to do it is trade small size. Dave Trade FX, hey there. Yeah, I'm in since, I don't even know, since 1 hour and 30 minutes. We were having some sweat here and now we're back into the green. I was sweating here, crapping my pants, and now we're back in the green. So I only had to take 2 Xanax and I'm fine. my heart beats fast for only you, NQ. Well, yeah. Yeah, that could be a poem. Yeah, she's a good trade. Well, for now it looks very promising. It looks real promising, guys. If it keeps this area, then I might going to leave it and I'm going to manage it from my cell phone. Guys, anyone is, by the way, considering my funded futures, because it's also a great prop firm, good upfront costs. I mean, the expert account is very good with no activation fee. I'm just wondering. I wanted to check. Look at that. Come on. Let's go. 10 points to the swing at 55. Yeah. Shut up, Tom. You might jinx it. Yeah. 50. Come on. Go down. Go down. It stresses me out. It has an open gap between 0.95 potentially to fill. Yes, it has very nice targets down there. That's why I was hoping that we should go for that order block. So I'm still hoping for that it can go. There you go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I know you want it. I know you want this to happen. I want this to happen. You want this as well. I know you want it. I know you want to go down. You want to go down. Come on, baby. Come on. Just one more push. Let's get through this low and we're going to be all the way in to the order block. Come on, baby. Just push it. There you go. One more push. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just a few points. Let's get through this 55.50 level. And it's going to be a clear way all the way down to the order block. Come on, baby. I know you want to. I know you want to. Come on. All right. Just one more push. My heart is beating. Come on. Just go down. Just a little bit. Did I say it's 18 plus? No turning. It's no turning back now. I know you want it. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. ASMR. Yes. I know you want this, baby. Now I just lost 100 subs. Right. Okay. I'm scaring the dog. Demonetized just now. All right. Adult content, guys. Drop a like. Yes, baby, come on. All the way down. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. All we need is 10 more points. We should be going down to that order block. Good morning, P-Trading. You're out? Okay, Joel is out. Bam. There you go. There you go. Come on, baby. I want you to go deeper. Oh, that sounds a little bit the opposite way. The trading thing. I'm gonna do OnlyFans page anyway, so how about that? It's happening, guys. The OnlyFans page is coming, so start playing some of that porno chess. Yeah, that's what I should do. Actually, I don't want to play any music because I keep getting all the emails from YouTube that I cannot use these VODs for monetization because of the background music. So I said, all right, F it. I'm not going to put any background music because, you know, preferably. I mean, it says copyright free, but I still get I still don't get credit for. I mean, ad revenue for those VODs where I use copyright-free music. So I said, all right, I don't care. I'm just not going to use any music at all in my VODs from now on. And that's it. Low-hanging fruit, big boy. Yeah, it's like sort of a Playboy channel right now. What a trade, guys. What a trade. We should be reaching the 42.75. That's my final TP, 42.75. Going into the order block, guys. For an exit at 43. Hit it, baby, yeah. I used it. And I still got the email. I still got the email that I don't have a copyright strike, but I don't get ad revenue from the VODs because somebody has copyright, well, not copyright, but somebody is using it for I don't know what. But I said, all right, I had enough of these emails. I'm streaming, I'm putting on the VODs to have some ad revenue, and I can't have ad revenue because the copyright-free music has some issues. So I thought, okay, I'm not going to do copyright-free music in the background because at least now I'm still listening to music. I can listen whatever I want because I turned down the desktop sounds for the stream. So that is what it is. By the way, okay, we're going for it. You know what? Okay. I closed it down manually when I saw that. So I'm out, guys. I'm out. Actually, it's I'm out. It just reached my level, so I am out. Oh, you guys can't hear it because I turned out the I turned down the VODs. I mean, sorry, the that's what I meant to. What a trade, guys. If you like the stream, you know, subscribe and push the like button. Again, one more applause for everyone being here. Boom. But we were sweating a little bit up there, right? It was a little bit sweaty. It was a little bit sweaty. What a trade, what a trade. Nice. I did like it. Oh, wow. Come on, price. Actually, I called it to the tick. I called it to the tick, guys. Oh my god. Oh, what a trade. Sweating and lots of dirty talking. But, you know, I think Nasdaq likes me when I talk dirty. By the way, if somebody's still holding, it can still go down right below the 120s. I think we have a good chance to visit below the 120s. We might have a retracement, but it still has a chance for going down further. So, but this was a nice trade. This was a nice trade. So good call, good call. If you guys like what you see, come back tomorrow and maybe today as well for one more round. What a trade, guys. What a trade. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. It was a beautiful, this was actually a beautiful trade with a little bit sweat up there. A little bit of a sweat. A little bit of a sweat here. It's not counting as I call it when you were lost faith. That, you know, it's true. FX entropy always pulls me back, and yeah, it's not. Yeah, I call it when you were trembling. I lost faith, actually. I lost faith. So you know what? I take that back. FX entropy always pulls me back to the reality check, you know. Actually, I was trembling. I was hesitating. I was all over emotional. But yeah, it's true. Ludafish, hey there. Gonna be trading again in a few hours at AM session. Yeah, I'm gonna be coming back for the New York kill zone. Whoa, look at that. Exited and it's going straight back up. Nasdaq knew what we want. Let's try. I tried to keep your feet on the ground. You see? You see? We have a guy who helps me to stay on the ground. Oh, guys, what a day. Look at this. It's going back up there. What a trade, guys. I must say there was a little bit of luck here. A little bit of a luck here. Maybe he's gonna go down again, of course, but you know, this is as good as New York. Yeah. Guess what? I closed short and went, yeah, oh, FX entropy went long. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna be live in the New York kill zone. I'm just not sure. Usually I started around 9 or 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I think I'll try to start earlier, maybe somewhere 7 or 8 a.m. I have some stuff to do, and have to go out town and do some IRL stuff. But I try to be here maybe 7 or 8 a.m. Try to steam and stream earlier. Stream earlier a bit. We don't have any news, only at 10 a.m. So maybe we have some movements at the early kill zone. I don't know. Paper trading. I'm trading evaluation accounts, Paul. Evaluation. There's a daily recap every day, so you can check it. Country Western. All right, guys. It was a great session. I really enjoyed it. I'm not calling out more trades because I have an appointment to go to. Please subscribe and push the like. Check out the discounts because we have some good sales going on. Check out the links down there in the description. BULENOX has a good sale. TOPSTEP, if you register through my link, going to give you a 20% discount. My funded futures, consider that as well, and you know, everything. Guys, it was awesome, and see you guys in the New York session. So what else can I say? FX is Country Western, yeah. So thanks again for being here. Drop the like, subscribe. See you guys in the New York kill zone. It was a great trade. It was really a great trade. So see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. It was awesome. All right, guys. Cheers, everyone.